Okay, so if you are looking for a download manager for your Linux distribution, I have something to show you. This download manager is called Persepolis download manager, and you can download it for Linux, Mac, and Windows too. As you know, you have tried, I think, I don't know if you have tried to download IDM, which is very popular for Windows, but IDM does not work in Linux. So this is the second best, I would say, download manager for you can download for your Linux distribution. Let me show you how it looks like. This is how it looks like. You can add a link from this uh, menu. If you want to download videos, you can put here, and all that stuffs are here. Mhm. If you are using something like Fedora that have a software store, you can go to here and search it here and download it from here. Like I have downloaded it from here for my Fedora. It's available right here. If it's not available here for you, or if you don't have a software store in your distribution, you can come here, this GitHub page of Persepolis download manager. You can go to this. Here it's available for Debian, for Windows and Mac image, also available. So if you are using something other than Debian based distro or Fedora, then you need to check here and also check here to download it. Also the add-on also available if you want to. With the help of this add-on, you don't need to copy link. If you want to download something, you don't need to copy link and then paste it in your browser like this. You don't need to do that. If you're using this, download this and turn this on. I have not downloaded because I don't use it. I just copy link for bigger files that I want to download. I just copy link. For small files, I just use the built-in download tool. So you can download this too if you want. Just copy link and open this in this tab here. Paste the link and fetch metadata. It will start showing, and you can download it from there. So it's a very good wholesome download manager. If you want something like this, you want to download, just copy link. Let's see if they don't provide link direct. Let's copy this direct download, copy link, paste it here, and as you can see, it has fetched it 144 MB, so you can just download it from here. That's how I now use this manager.